What's up, guys? Is wholesaling real estate legal? That's the big question. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly if wholesaling is legal. And a bonus for you, if you're looking up the question if wholesaling is illegal, I bet you can benefit from knowing a website where you can find deals, off-market deals, where you can wholesale and profit $10,000 and more. So let's get into it. Also, if you want to know my top 5 real estate investing books, there's going to be a link in the description down below, so go check those out. So for those of you that don't know what wholesaling is, it's basically you're putting a property under contract and then you're assigning that contract to another investor that's actually going to do the rehab, or the person that's going to buy and hold this property. So here's a simple breakdown for you. So if you put a property under contract for $100,000 and you know this property is worth maybe $200,000, you sell this property's contract to another real estate investor and you sell it to them for $110,000. Now that spread, that $10,000 spread from 100 to 110, you profit that. That goes into your pocket, and you didn't do anything other than find the deal, and you found an investor and you gave it to him. And that $10,000 that you're profiting, it's called a finder's fee. And real estate investors are happy to pay this finder's fee to you because you found an amazing property. Hopefully, you found an amazing property and you're giving it to them. So they're happy to pay you $10,000 whenever it's going to make them maybe $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. And by wholesaling real estate, you're taking away a lot of stresses that come with actually flipping, rehabbing properties. You know, you're not dealing with all these stresses, but you're still making money. Now to the juicy question, is wholesaling real estate legal? Short answer, yes it is, if you have the correct paperwork and contracts involved. Also, you need to know the laws around wholesaling real estate and if it's actually legal in your state. So I advise you to go check out with a real estate attorney to go find out what the laws are and if it's actually legal in your state. But most of the time, the answer is going to be yes, as long as you have the correct paperwork involved. Now I want to get into the website where you can find off-market deals and profit $10,000 or more, so you can honestly replace your day job. Before we do that, hit that like button, turn it blue so the YouTube gods know that this video has value in it, and let's jump into my computer right now. And a link to this website is going to be in the description down below. It's called foreclosure.com. So right now we're in foreclosure.com. Now stick with me for a second because it's not all about foreclosures. I want to show you how you can find pre-foreclosures, tax liens, and others where you can save the searches and have them sent automatically to your email inbox and basically make $10,000 every single day. So let's jump into it. Let's go ahead and go into, let's just say Orlando, Florida. Now what I want to show you is it's super powerful. So you can see that it's bringing up a bunch of foreclosures. What I want you to do is go over here and click on, I think it's, listing types. We're going to click on pre-foreclosures. We're going to click on tax liens, not short sales. We're going to stick with pre-foreclosures and tax liens. Now it's going to pull up a bunch of pre-foreclosures. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically someone that defaulted on their mortgage and the bank has issued them a notice that, hey, you need to pay your balance off, or we're going to take back the property. So what we're looking at is a bunch of people that, they're going through some hardship. So that's perfect for you if you want to go out and find wholesale deals, because you're looking for people that they're wanting to sell for a discount so you can profit as much as you can. Now it sounds really bad because people are going through a hard time, but it's really, it's really helping them out in a situation, because if they actually get foreclosed on, it's going to really damage their credit. It's going to affect them getting a mortgage in the future. So let's just go ahead and let's click on this one right here. This 1616 Huntley Lane. Let's just click on it for a second. So what it's going to do is it's going to pull up, the estimated market value, and it's going to tell you that on the low end. Now, you can go knock on these people's doors. You already have the address, and let's see if it has the information down here. So right now it has the defendant's name. So obviously the defendant, possibly the homeowner, is going to be in that home. You can go talk to this Leroy. So you can go in, talk to this person, be like, hey, be very sensitive with this, because two things might happen. You're going to get the door shut in your face, and they're going to be cussing you out, or they're going to be break down crying, and they're going to be thanking you for you helping them in this situation. So whenever you go knock on the door, be sympathetic, because they're going through a hard time. So basically, get the feel of the property, and then basically, in a nutshell, this is how it will go. You're going to get this property under contract, let's just say for $100,000. Now let's say that the foreclosures.com market value is accurate. You want to do your own market analysis on this property and just call up a real estate agent, ask them if they can run a CMA, a comparable market analysis on this property to see, how much equity you might be able to pull in this property, because it actually might be on the high range. It might be here in the 156,000. If you get this property for $100,000 and it doesn't need any rehab, you flip this contract to another real estate investor, you could possibly sell it to a real estate investor for $110,000. Now, the real estate investor might, they're going to be profiting a big chunk of money, maybe about $30,000 after, all the expenses go into selling a property. But you just made $10,000 by finding this property using a website, and it's automatically sending you the property in your email, and you're just flipping it to another real estate investor. Yeah, they're going to be profiting more than you, but you have less headache. You were literally just sitting on a couch, got an email, and then you're just like, oh yeah, this probably has equity in it. Do a CMA on it. Talk to your real estate agent. You find out that it has a lot of equity in it. Find another real estate investor that wants to buy it, and then boom, $10,000. And you can do this every single day. Every single day. That's nuts. If I just blew your mind, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and clicking the bell icon so you get notified every single time I upload a new YouTube video just like this one. If you want more training on increasing your cash flow so you can maximize as many properties coming into your email inbox as possible, there's going to be a free training in the description down below, so go click on that, get the free training. I do this for you so you can actually achieve the financial freedom that you're looking for through real estate investing. And it's going to be a video popping up right here. I picked it out just for you, so go click on that video. I really think that you'll enjoy it. But until next video, guys, I'm out. See ya.